A Vortex mixer is a versatile laboratory instrument designed to mix or agitate small volumes of liquid or suspensions by creating a swirling motion. Its primary function is to ensure thorough mixing of samples in test tubes or microtubes. Due to its efficiency and effectiveness, Vortex mixers are widely used in various fields including biology, chemistry, and medical research. Key features and applications: efficient mixing. Vortex mixers create a rapid swirling motion that ensures uniform mixing of samples, making them ideal for preparing samples for PCR, polymerase chain reaction, or other molecular biology assays. Versatility. These mixers can accommodate a variety of sample holders and adapters, allowing for the mixing of different tube sizes and shapes. Adjustable speed. Many models offer variable speed settings, enabling precise control over the mixing intensity according to the sample type and experiment requirements. Compact design. Mini Vortex mixers are lightweight and take up minimal space, making them ideal for labs with limited benchtop real estate. Quiet operation. Vortex mixers are typically designed to minimize noise levels, making them suitable for use in quiet laboratory environments. Common uses. Sample preparation. Preparing samples for PCR, polymerase chain reaction, or other molecular biology assays. Homogenization. Breaking down cells or tissues in small volumes for biochemical analysis. Chemical reactions. Mixing reagents uniformly for chemical reactions requiring precise mixing. Conclusion. Vortex mixers are indispensable tools in many laboratory settings due to their efficiency, versatility, and compact design. Whether you're working with small volumes of liquid or need to mix samples quickly and efficiently, a Vortex mixer can provide the precision and reliability required for your experiments. To learn more about Vortex mixers and related products, feel free to visit my homepage and contact me via email. I will respond within 24 hours.